Alright, hello everybody. Today we are going to check out another great item from banggood.com. This is the NASUM Cordless Leaf Blower. Let's see, we're going to crack it open and test it out so you can see how it works. So inside the box you have the blower unit and then the nozzle that snaps on very easily, and it has a locking tab right here. So no tools and very little assembly required. You just slide the battery on the back, and of course you get a charger for the battery and a little user manual as well. And we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Okay, so one thing to mention before you get started is you have a trigger that turns on the blower. Then you also have this lever that locks the speed of the blower in place wherever you want it. And see, that way you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time. And I should also mention that this is actually blowing at up to 380 CFM. So we're gonna see how well that works. All right, let's blow these pesky leaves and tan bark out of here. Is that good? That's like mud, so that won't blow away. The blower works well. I think we were quite pleased with it. It's effective and efficient. So, well, until we see you next time, hopefully we have some other cool tools to demonstrate for you.